Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh.
Baby, killing me.
I'm killing you.
Hey guys, let's do this. Hey guys, good evening.
You don't know what it took to get to this point.
I don't know what's wrong with him. You know, he's still wearing hat. It's nighttime. He's covering. He's covering
I'm
something.
still wearing a hat? What does that mean?
It's evening. Where's the sun here?
It's to prevent the reflection of the light off my bald head. That's what it is.
Yeah, he's scared with the light.
Okay, what do you have to tell everybody? What do you have to tell everybody?
So guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel.
The channel should be called My Crazy Filipino Wife. That's what it should be called. But we call it Golden Journey.
So guys, this is our channel. So can you introduce yourself?
I don't know. Who am I today?
Guys, so
I'm her secret lover.
Guys, I'm gonna introduce my husband.
Hi.
His name is Andrew, and I'm his wife, right?
You are? Who are you? You're not my wife. Where is my wife? Where'd she go?
He's crazy. So guys, so what are we gonna do right now, baby?
Well, I got you a gift, so we thought we'd share it with everybody.
Yeah, I am blown away tonight because I wasn't
Yes.
expecting that this is gonna arrive tonight.
Yeah.
And
It's a complete surprise. She said to me the other day, "Babe, what are you going to get me for Mother's Day?"
It's like an advance gift.
Yeah, kind of like that.
So
Can't wait for Father's Day. Okay, so we got you the Conon PowerShot G7x Mark II.
Mark II.
There's a lot of vloggers that use this, so
Yeah.
look like a good one. We looked at all the reviews online. Autofocus is really good on it. Picture quality is excellent.
Yes.
So it's a good all-around camera. Very portable. I know a lot of folks use the digital SLR cameras for vlogging. But this is a good good camera for and pretty durable camera. Great autofocus.
Yeah.
So here it is. There's the user manual.
So
Are you going to read that?
I'm not sure.
It's not in Tagalog or Cebuano. It's in English.
English.
Can you read that?
No, I can read Chinese.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna do
Or maybe
unboxing.
Chinese.
So we're gonna do unboxing right now, and my husband is gonna show that the camera, and then all the accessories also, guys. So I'm excited.
Are they going to be able? They don't want to see my ugly face. They want to see the camera.
Okay, so what's in the
Okay.
camera, baby? You're gonna show the.
So these are accessories that we've got. I've got little tripod. This looks like a pretty handy dandy one. You can kind of fold it up and hold it with the camera on top of it.
Okay.
You get you 64 gigabit 4K Ultra HD fast read and write SD card, because you do need to have something that's fast for writing. So this has a zoom speed, it says.
Wow, nice.
Zoom speed. Can they see it from here? I don't think they can.
Yeah.
But, okay.
Yeah. Well,
Battery.
I'm gonna make up.
Okay, we got an extra digital battery for this.
It's okay, baby. I'm gonna put a slide.
Okay. And then we actually got one of these little bendy parts too. This is like the I can't think of what it's called, but kind of
What
like
is that?
kind of like an octopus tripod for the.
Wow,
for the
that's
camera.
really cool.
You can put it in all kinds of different shapes.
Ah, okay.
Kind of up like
so it's
this.
like flexible, you
Like
know.
that.
No. Hey, watch your thing. Cover your thing.
Watch my thing.
Cover it. A lot of people in the universe watching you.
Oh, are they? Okay.
So
right.
So this one is really flexible, so you can bend, in
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
He already said that.
Yeah, it's a tripod. It's got the ability, because it's got the way the joints are set up, you can bend it in all kinds of different positions, and it's pretty handy. Maybe stretch it around your wife's neck if you do. Okay. So that's that, and she'll do close-ups on this stuff.
Nice.
And this is a fast, high-speed, high capacity USB thumb drive. I'm not quite sure what this does. I have to look at this a little more.
There's a lot of people like, you know, in the Philippines, they use, you know, USB. Use USB too.
Yes, I use USB.
I think it's easy to carry, you know.
Yeah, that must be it.
Because it's light.
It says high speed, so
High
maybe there's
capacity
something
speed.
unique. It breaks off on both ends or so. I don't know. Let's open it up and show everybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's
Is that
it,
okay?
Yeah, sure.
So.
Wow, it looks like a candy.
It looks like candy. Do you want to eat it?
No.
Here, open your mouth.
Darling, open it.
Okay. Ultimax. So it's got a cover here. Oh.
Nice.
Okay. That's
What is
got,
that?
like you can stick a USB, or not a USB, an SD card in here. Actually, that's pretty nice.
Oh, pretty neat.
And then it's got another end.
And that's the one that you need to
With
connect to.
a USB-A connector type, standard USB connector, into a laptop
Yeah.
or a PC, some kind.
Hmm.
So yeah, or micro. So it's got an SD and a micro SD card slot
Oh, really
in here.
cool.
Do you see that?
I can see my
Okay.
eyes is, you know, really,
Yeah.
really.
Okay. So we'll set that aside over here. We've got the power cord and a charger, and we do have an extra battery. So we got. Actually, I think this is 2 batteries.
So we have 2 batteries.
Yeah. Well, we got 3 batteries actually.
Oh, cool. Why
I
do we
believe
need
we
extra
should.
batteries starting for this camera?
Because you just keep on recording and recording, and you don't know when to stop.
Yeah, especially when you're traveling, it's really handy, guys, that you have, you know, extra. You know,
So this looks like a larger capacity, 1500 milliamp.
Why they're different? The other one is, you know.
This is for use in the Philippines, and this is for use in the United States.
Is there a difference between, you know, United States and Philippines using batteries?
Yeah, the language. Okay. So this looks like a little bit higher capacity, maybe.
Okay.
1500 milliamp. I can't read with my old eyes here. But,
Okay.
yeah, this looks like a 1500 milliamp as well. So anyways, you got 2 batteries. You got an extra battery. And we got our charger. So open that up, throw that down there, and then you just simply.
It's nice. It's not a really bulky, you know. What's this guy?
Yeah. Well, you're small, so you need something small.
What do you think of yourself? Are you tall?
Yeah, I'm tall.
Let me see.
So you got your little battery here, and nice. So this is a single charger. You can actually get the dual charger, so you can put 2 batteries in here, and those work really well too. And that way you can charge 2 batteries at a time. That's kind of nice if you're doing a lot of recording. And then so we just stick the battery in there. So that's a good thing to stick in there tonight and charge it, so you have a good working battery tomorrow.
Yeah.
But for our purpose right now, we're going to put it into the camera. So here's the camera.
Yay!
It's actually got a pretty good weight to it. It feels like it's pretty solid, actually.
Huh.
Yeah.
It's not that heavy.
It's not that heavy. That's because you're not holding it.
It's compact, guys.
Yeah, it's compact. Okay.
Okay, show that to them.
So one of the things we wanted to do, and one of the things I got, and let's put this aside,
Okay.
is I got some HD glass covers to put over the touchscreen. There's a LCD touchscreen in the back. It's actually very nice. You can actually flip it over when you're taking a picture, and you can actually see that screen. It's one of the nice things, of many things about this camera, and I'm not going to do a review on this because other people with a lot more knowledge of this phone have done reviews on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a good sized touchscreen. So I've got some HD glass screens protectors to put on top of that.
Okay.
And so we'll put those on and just kind of protect that back screen so it doesn't get all scratched up either.
Yeah.
All right.
Because I'm very careless.
You're careless?
Yeah.
She tells me that after I got her the camera. Hey, okay. So first thing we got to do, we'll put this on now just because she's careless and we don't want her to get damaged. We'll get this put on. We'll put this glass screen cover on here now, just like you do on your cell phones, right? There it is. And that'll protect the screen. So
I want him to do that because I'm not really good in that thing.
Okay. So what we need to do first is just to clean the screen a little bit. So we have some special glass cleaner we use for our sunglasses. And they actually give you some cleaners, some little cleaners here with that too. You can use those.
Where did you get this?
I got that at the sunglass shop when I got my Maui gyms.
Ah, okay.
So, oh my goodness. How small is it? It's so tiny.
Just like me. Look at that.
It's like a little Band-Aid. And you gotta clean the screen.
Do you guys see? It's so tiny.
That is tiny. Alright, well, so we'll clean it anyways.
Okay.
Like an alcohol swab and clean it off good. And we'll wipe it. I've got a screen cover on mine. Most people do, just to kind of protect the screen on your cell phone. So same kind of thing with this.
Before you're gonna put the thing.
This is the special extra protection screen if you have a Filipino wife. Alright. So the other thing is, now you want to kind of pick off the dust on the screen. So usually they just have like these little sticky things. And
just like the one that you use in your car. This.
Yeah. So you just.
Oh,
wow,
cool.
This is sticky. Yeah.
It's really sticky.
Just to get all the dust off of the glass, so that when you put the glass screen down, you don't have little dust flecks inside of the cover. Kind of interesting. All right.
Dust absorber.
And here we go. So I did read the instructions before this. It is a good idea to read the instructions beforehand.
Yeah.
So this is going to be the back. Alright. I'll put it down like this.
Make it perfect, babe. I'll kill you.
She'd be great to have along when you're out fishing and you're looking for that quiet moment to fish, or if you're getting ready to putt the ball and golf, right? You're out golfing and putting the ball when you're about ready to hit it, and then she says, "Get it perfect."
Sounds like there's an angel, passing by. We're very quiet in here. Oh.
Yeah. Alright,
Look
so
at that. Nice.
I want to just kind of...
That's really nice. I'm excited, guys.
So that will protect the screen. And just kind of spray a little bit of this
And
on.
you're going to use that too. Oh no! Why my eyes?
I can't see!
Oh! He is not nice. What do you want me to do, guys? I'm going to put him, outside.
Yeah, we're taking a vote. You want to kill your husband, or you want to keep him for another day?
Maybe extra day.
Okay.
And then for the next day, he's going to be outside.
Beautiful. There it is. So, and it's a little bit easier when you're touching it too. So it's not supposed to, I guess, affect the operation of the screen. This is a pretty nice camera.
It's a touch screen.
So here's your battery compartment right here. And what do we do with the battery?
Right there.
There it is.
Sorry guys, I'm yawning.
Am I boring you?
No.
Okay. So let's power this on.
Ooh,
get a little
nice.
music with it too.
And you need to set the date, the time.
Oh, okay. Well, I haven't read all the instructions yet, but
Maybe you can skip.
set date and time. Oh, today's 4:30, right? It's April 30th. All right.
Yeah.
It is not 2017. It's 2019 now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be May 1st tomorrow. My goodness. Time zone. Okay, we're not in London. We're not in Paris time zone. We will be in Manila time zone at some point, but not now. Karachi.
What's Karachi? Do you know, guys?
What is Karachi? It's a small little dish. It's with lamb and a little bit of vegetable.
I'm thinking about when he said that. I'm thinking about kimchi.
Yeah, it's kimchi Karachi. Bangkok,
so
Hong
funny.
Kong. Okay, somewhere in here is the United States. Honolulu. Mahalo. Aloha. Anchorage, Los Angeles. There we go. Denver, Chicago. New York. That's what we want. Okay. Date time is set. And there we go. Oh, no memory card. You have to put a memory card in too.
You put some battery, but the memory is not there.
I have that problem myself with memory. Up here.
No.
Alright.
He's kidding, guys.
What do we do with the memory card?
You throw the memory card.
It's right here. Let me
Is
cut
it this one?
No, let me just cut your hair.
Darling!
Okay.
Where is it?
I don't. Oh, there it is.
Is that the one?
That's the one.
So what's the memory that we have there? 64 gigabytes.
Yes, 64 gigabyte 4K Ultra HD.
Ah, yeah, you said that earlier.
It is a ultra high speed, professional grade, standard SD card. Okay, so you gotta. The nice thing is you can take this out, and if you get a SD card reader in your laptop, you can just pop it out here instead of using a data transfer. Probably should get another one of these. Maybe we'll do that. There we go. So you can put it in like that. It's connected. There we go. Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Darling.
Oh!
Nice, baby.
Look at that face.
He is not nice. He likes to take pictures of me, like, if I'm not ready.
Yeah. This feels like military grade. It's very metallic.
What do you mean metallic?
It's got like a strong, heavy metal feel to it.
Well, that's better than, the camera that we're using right now.
Is it? That's
Yeah.
That's a Nikon. That's a very good camera.
No, what I mean, for, from outside vlogging.
Uh-oh.
The camera that we're using, guys, it's, it's a Nikon. And that's a very good camera for set up a vlog. But, if you are outside and you're walking around, this one is, nicer because it's lighter.
Recording and...
Hey guys, so that's all for our vlog for tonight. And
So we want to thank all our subscribers
yeah,
very much for taking the time to watch the videos.
yes, guys.
As busy as we all are, we appreciate you wanting to kind of peek into our lives and what we're doing, and
Yes.
and so if you like the channel, subscribe always.
Don't forget to
Like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, I guess don't like it.
Yeah.
And click the little bell if you want to be notified on videos. I hope I'm not going to be in too many of these.
And so guys, for all those new subscribers, thank you guys. I really appreciate everything, and then I hope you really enjoy our next video. And so
Mahalo and aloha.
God bless you guys.
God bless you.
Thank you, and
Bye.
good night. See you next week.
Good night.
Bye.
I'm going to bed.